Hello guys, safe lifting, smooth pump control and fast cleaning. Floor jacks, frame-mounted pumps and handheld steamers. Number 1. AUTOWN 3-ton floor jack. The AUTOWN 3-ton floor jack is a heavy-duty hydraulic car jack designed for lifting SUVs, trucks and other large vehicles with confidence. Built from durable alloy steel, it supports up to 6,600 pounds, 3 tons, and features a 7.1 to 20.9-inch lifting range, making it ideal for maintenance tasks like tire changes and brake repairs. Its quick-lift hydraulic system reduces the number of pumps needed. Number 2. SUNEX Tools 2-ton big wheel jack. The SUNEX Tools 2-ton big wheel jack, model 6602RJ, is a rugged off-road hydraulic floor jack built for trucks, SUVs, and lifted vehicles that need dependable lifting on uneven terrain. With a 2-ton 4,000 pounds capacity, a 4.7 to 28.4-inch lifting range and dual-piston rapid lift technology, it raises vehicles quickly and efficiently. Its large solid composite wheels and full-length wraparound steel skid plate provide excellent stability on gravel. Number 3. XNITO Bike Helmet with LED Lights. The XNITO Bike Helmet with LED Lights is a premium urban cycling helmet built for commuters and high-speed riders using Class 3 e-bikes, scooters, one-wheels and traditional bicycles. It is dual certified to both CPSC and NTA 8776 safety standards, providing enhanced impact protection for speeds up to 28 miles per hour. The helmet features integrated USB rechargeable front and rear LED lights with multiple lighting modes to improve visibility in low light conditions. Number 4. SILCA Mini Bike Pump. The SILCA Mini Bike Pump is a lightweight, frame-mount bicycle pump designed for gravel, mountain, and road bikes, offering reliable inflation in a compact package. Built with a durable aluminum body, it features an expandable hose with a secure lever lock chuck that works with both Presta and Schrader valves, reducing valve stress while pumping. Number 5. Phueut Pressurized Cleaner. The Phueut Pressurized Handheld Multi-Surface Natural Steam Cleaner is a compact, chemical-free cleaning solution designed to tackle dirt, grease, and grime throughout your home and vehicle. Powered by a 1050W heating element, it produces 230 degrees Fahrenheit 110 degrees Celsius pressurized steam after a 3 to 5 minute heat-up, delivering 8 to 12 minutes of continuous cleaning. Its 350 milliliters water tank, lightweight handheld design, and 12-piece accessory kit make it ideal for cleaning floors, grout, tile, upholstery, windows. Number 6. Off-road electric scooter. The off-road electric scooter is a high-performance e-scooter built for adventurous riders and daily commuters alike. Powered by a 1200W brushless motor, it reaches speeds of up to 31 miles per hour and delivers a riding range of up to 31 miles on a single charge with its 48V15Ah battery. Featuring 11-inch all-terrain tires, dual suspension and front and rear disc brakes, it provides excellent stability, comfort and stopping power on pavement. Number 7. Simulation Motorcycle Bicycle. The Simulation Motorcycle Bicycle Kids Safe Walker Bicycle is a durable children's bike designed to help young riders build confidence and develop essential cycling skills. Available in 12-inch, 14-inch, and 16-inch sizes, it features a sturdy metal frame, dual V-brake system, comfortable seat, and child-friendly geometry for safe and stable riding. Hello friends, that brings us to the end. Thanks for watching the video. Remember to subscribe if you haven't already and leave a like. See you in the next video.